Dear students, let us study the classification of phylum Mollusca. धीमी गति से रेंगने वाले कवचयुक्त प्राणी इस संघ में पाए जाते हैं. Slow sluggish shelled animals comes in this phylum. Phylum Mollusca is the second largest phylum. जैसा कि मैंने मेरे पहले वीडियो में बताया था कि Arthropoda is the first largest invertebrate phylum, Mollusca is the second largest invertebrate phylum and third largest invertebrate phylum Protozoa है. These animals are triploblastic, coelomate and unsegmented. Body is divisible into head, mantle, foot and visceral mass. Shell may be external as well as internal. Shell may be univalve or bivalve, means shell एक कपाटीय भी हो सकती है और द्विकपाटीय भी हो सकती है. Coelom is reduced, represented mainly by pericardial cavity, gonadial cavity and kidneys. Digestive system is complete with hepatopancreas. What is hepatopancreas? Hepatopancreas क्या होता है? It is a digestive gland. It is an organ of digestive tract of arthropods and mollusks. It provides together the function of liver and pancreas that are provided separately in vertebrate. Circulatory system is open type, but in cephalopods it is closed type. Respiratory pigment is hemocyanin. Hemocyanin is a copper containing respiratory pigment. It imparts blue color to blood. Respiration takes place directly through general body surface or by gills or by lungs or by both. Some of the animals of this phylum are amphibious. For example, Pila. Excretion takes place by means of paired metanephric kidneys. These are dioecious or monoecious. Dioecious when sexes are separate and monoecious when the two sexes are present in the same animal. Now, fertilization is external or internal. Development is direct or through free larval stage. These are terrestrial or aquatic. They may be present in fresh water as well as in marine water form. Now, the classification of phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca is classified into 6 classes on the basis of their mode of living and characteristic feature of food present in them. Phylum Mollusca is classified into following classes, that is Monoplacophora, Amphineura, Scaphopoda, Gastropoda, Pelecypoda and Cephalopoda. Now we come to the class first, that is Monoplacophora. These are flattened, limpet-shaped shell animal with spirally coiled protoconch. Protoconch is the first or earliest or original shell. Foot is broad and flat. 5 pair of gills are present. Internal segmentation is present. These are marine water form. Example is Neoplina. Neoplina is also known as living fossil. What do you mean by living fossil? और जिसे जीवित जीवाश्म कहा जाता है. जिनमें लंबे समय से कोई चेंज नहीं होता उन्हें जीवित जीवाश्म कहा जाता है. Continue to remain unchanged for past million of years. Now come to the class second, that is Amphineura. These animals have elongated body with reduced head. Radula is a rasping organ used for feeding, for scraping and cutting of food. Shell is made up of 8 dorsal plate. Fertilization is external and Trochophore larva is present in their life cycle. These are marine water form. Example is chiton. In this picture you can see the chiton. Now come to the class third, that is Scaphopoda. These animals are commonly known as tusk-shelled animal. Tusk-shelled animal. Their body is present within a tubular shell, open at both the ends. No head and no eyes are present in these animals. Foot is conical, that is adapted for burrowing. No gills are present. These are dioecious. Larva is trochophore. These are marine water form. Example is Dentalium. You can see in this picture Dentalium. Now come to the next class, that is Gastropoda. Slugs and snails comes in this phylum. Organism of these class shows torsion of body mass. Torsion of body mass at some time in development takes place in these animals. What is torsion? Torsion is a rotation of the visceral mass, mantle and shell 180 degree with respect to the head and foot of the gastropod. As a result of this rotation, mantle cavity and anus comes to anterior position above the head. Well-developed head with eyes and tentacles are present in this animal. Radula is present. Foot is large and flat and it is of creeping type. Shell may be present or absent. These are शेल इज़ यूजुअली यूनिवॉल्व मीन्स इनमें कवच अधिकतर यूनिलोक्यूलर मीन्स एक कपाटीय होता है. एग्जाम्पल्स आर पाइला, एप्लाइसिया, पटेला एंड सिप्रिया. You can see in this picture Aplysia and Cypria. Now come to the class 5th, that is Pelecypoda. In this class bivalves come. Their body is enclosed in a bivalve shell, means their shell is made up of two valve. द्विकपाटीय कवच इनमें पाया जाता है. No head, tentacles, eyes, jaws and radula are present in these animals. These animals are filter feeder. Conical foot is present that is adapted for burrowing. These are usually dioecious. Glaucidium and veliger larvae are present in their life cycle. Mytilus, Spondylus, edible oyster, Teredo, Unio are some common example. This picture shows the Unio. Now come to the last class, that is Cephalopoda. This class is also known as Siphonopoda. Their body is elongated dorsoventrally. Shell may be external or internal or absent. Foot get modified into 8 or 10 arms. These are dioecious. Development is direct. These are marine water and free swimming form. Examples are Nautilus, Loligo and Octopus. You can see in this picture Loligo in which foot is modified into 10 arms. Thanks.